cow. Now I got Sprint.
Yeah. It's weird. I know there's like a Sprint tower like a quarter mile away from my house.
There's one down the street from my house.
Yeah, exactly. But you get service at your house?
Yeah, all the time.
See, I don't get fucking service on mine.
I only don't get service
there's
like Danny's.
I know there's a Sprint tower on the top of that building.
There's one there like the old BJ still.
Yeah, so I should even be getting that. I mean, I don't live that far from there. I don't live on Lake George Waterman. So.
No, that's down the street from there actually.
Huh?
That's down the street from the old BJ's.
Yeah. So it's not that far.
No.
Everything's mad close. It's just crazy, huh? He's got so much stuff going on.
Yeah.